Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a business location on Google Maps. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and locate the particular business which you would like to change the location. All right, for example, here, this is my imaginary business right here. So what we're going to do to change the location is just by clicking on suggest and edit. All right, click on it and go head over to the location section right here. All right, click on it and you will be landed to this exact page. So just go ahead and change the address right here, or you can just basically click on edit map location and the mini version of Google Maps will pop up. Just go ahead and put that wherever you want or where the business should be. Like for example, I'm gonna put it in here, close to my mom's, right here, close to my mom's house. All right, let's say for example, just hit on submit. All right. Now, once done, edit this exact address right here. It's just basically the same address, all right, located within. Just to be more specific, go ahead and put that in here. Let's say, for example, near printing shop or near this particular printing shop right here. And then if you want to add some photos, all right, just go ahead and add photos. And once done, just hit on submit. Now, once you hit on submit, Google Maps will need some time to verify everything. All right, it usually takes 24 to 48 hours. And once done, you will receive this particular email, which says we've accepted your edits. All right, your edits to the business was accepted. Thanks for making maps more accurate and reliable. As you can see here, edited Feb 16, and it is accepted. All right, and edits may take 24 hours before appearing on Google. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.